Hello guys. Now I am going to explain how to do gear tooth vernier experiment. Okay. Uh, this is gear tooth vernier. Okay. Here you can see two vernier scales. Okay. One is a vertical scale and another one is a horizontal scale. Okay. This vertical scale is used to set addendum. Okay. Gear addendum, and this horizontal scale is used to measure thickness of the teeth. Okay, this is what gear tooth vernier. Okay, with this we can identify the thickness, okay, or we can measure the thickness of the gear teeth. Okay, this is what gear teeth. Okay, this gear thickness we can identify with the help of this. Okay, suppose if you want to identify gear teeth, we should set the addendum value in this vertical scale. Okay, to do, okay, to know or to identify, okay, addendum value, we should do some theoretical calculation. Okay, when we do theoretical calculation, we will get addendum value that we should set. I'll tell how to start the experiment. See, initially, okay, we should identify major diameter. Okay, major diameter of the given gear. Okay, see, this is what the given gear. Okay, here we should identify the major diameter. Okay, we should be very careful. Okay, while identifying, okay, exact opposite teeth we should identify. See, okay, this is what these two are exact opposite teeth. Okay, I'll set. Okay, I'll use this vernier scale to identify this major diameter. See, 0 is in 85. Okay, and some values, okay, is coinciding over here. Okay, I'll check this. Okay, same, the this is about 85.3. okay, same, here it is noted the 85.3. the major diameter of the given gear is 85.3 mm. Okay, next, okay, what we should do, we should identify number of teeth. Okay, so we should start calculate from here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Okay, total 18 teeth are there in this gear. That is what n. Okay, n is equal to 18. Next, we should identify module. Okay, module of the gear. For that, the formula is given, m is equal to d naught divided by n plus 2. Okay, d naught, that is 85.3, n, that is 18, and plus 2. You will get a 4.265, okay, m value. Okay, and next, we should identify theoretical chordal addendum. Okay, a addendum, the small a, nm, okay, divided by 2 into 1 plus 2 divided by n minus cos 90 by n. Okay, n nothing but 18, get m nothing but 4.265, okay, divided by 2, 1 plus 2 divided by n, that is 18, minus cos 90 by 18. You will get a 4.44 value, that is theoretical addendum value. And next, okay, we should identify theoretical chordal thickness. Okay, WTH. Okay, nm into sin 90 by n, 18 into 4.265 sin 90 divided by 18. Okay, we will get 6.690. Okay, that is nothing but theoretical chordal thickness. And next, experimental chordal thickness we supposed to identify. Okay, before that, okay, you can identify the dedendum value. Okay, that is with the a and m value. D is equal to small d. Okay, dedendum small d is equal to a plus 0.175 into m. Okay, 4.42, that is the addendum value, theoretical addendum value, plus 0.175 into m, 4.265. Okay, you will get a 5.157 mm. Okay, for all you should write a unit, don't forget. Okay, and depth of f. Next, pitch circle diameter, dp m into n. When you multiply module and number of teeth, you will get a pitch circle diameter. Okay, 4.265 into 18, 76.77 mm. Okay, for all the mm is very important. Okay, and next, depth of the teeth. Okay, that is nothing but A plus D. Okay, addendum plus dedendum. H is equal to addendum plus dedendum. Okay, same addendum in the sense uh, height of the teeth above the pitch circle. Okay, and dedendum means okay height of the teeth below the pitch circle. Okay, 4.42 plus 5.157. Okay, 9.567, that is nothing but depth of the teeth. And next, root diameter dr is equal to d naught minus 2h. Okay, d naught you know 85. Okay, 85.3, and 2 into h you know 9.568. Okay, 2 into 9.867. Okay, d okay 85.3 minus 2 into 9.568, you will get a 66.16 mm. Okay, next, face width. Face width you should identify. This is what experimental value. Okay, this value and this value is supposed to identify. Okay, now you should set the theoretical addendum value in this vernier scale. This vertical scale you should set the theoretical addendum value. Okay, caudal addendum value. See, caudal addendum value 4.44. Okay, 4.44. In this 4 you can directly set the okay in vernier scale. Okay, and 44. The 4.44 divided by 0.02. This is what the least count of the vernier scale. Okay, 0.44 divided by 0.02, so 22. Okay, the 22nd division okay in vernier scale should coincide with the any of the main scale. Now okay, initially I'll make okay 0 in between 4 and 5, because the 4 okay the 4 we can set directly in between 0 4 and 5, and 22nd division 5 10 15 20, and this is the 22nd division. Okay, this should coincide with any of the main scale value. Okay, yes. Now it is exactly this of 22nd division exactly coincide with the main scale, same, and 0 in between 4 and 5. Now this addendum value is set. Okay, now what you should do, you should measure caudal thickness. Okay, simply you should insert okay this vernier scale to this gear teeth. Okay, see how much you can insert, only up to addendum value you can insert. Okay, so we should you can measure thickness. Okay, always you should measure thickness in a pitch circle. Okay, you should measure gear thickness. Okay, thickness in a pitch circle only. Suppose if you want to measure pitch circle, okay, you should set this addendum value in this vertical scale. Okay, it's already set. Okay, you can measure. Okay, see it will take a measurement in pitch circle only. See, you can see this is imaginary pitch circle. Okay, in this imaginary pitch circle only it will take a measurement. Now okay, see 0 in between 6 and 7. Okay, I'll set this. Okay, I'll tighten this. Okay, same 0 in between 6 and 7. Okay, and here 45th division is coinciding with the main scale. Okay, you can see the number 9. Okay, that is coinciding with the main scale. Okay, 45th division. Okay, same the total reading, that is equal to MSR plus CVSD into LC. Okay, MSR reading, that is 6 in between 6 and 6 plus, okay, 45 into 0.02, okay, 6 plus 45 into 0.02, okay, that is 6.9 mm. Okay, same chordal thickness, okay, experimental chordal thickness, that is 6.9 mm. Okay, your seniors got 7.1, okay, in my experiment I got 6.9. okay, and next okay, we should identify the phase width. Okay, how to measure phase width? Okay, see, with the help of this, okay, you can measure phase width. Like this you should measure. Okay, yes, this is what about 15. Okay, same 0, okay, in between 15 and 16. Okay, and this 10th division is coinciding with the main scale. Okay, here 10th division is coinciding with the main scale, 0 in between 15 and 16, and 10th division of a Vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale. Okay, so 15 plus 10 into 0.02, okay, 15 plus 10 into 0.02, okay, 15.2 mm. Okay, this is what a phase width. Okay, this is about a gear tooth vernier experiment. And next you should write a result. Okay, module: theoretical chordal addendum, theoretical chordal thickness, experimental chordal thickness, dedendum, pitch circle diameter, depth of teeth, root diameter, and phase width. Okay, all this here for this all the values are available over here in this calculation. You should write it over here. Thank you.